1, 2, 3.
Hi, I'm Rick Manning, and I'm here with my fiddling pal Tim Ball. And I'm here to tell you about a concert that we're both really excited about. One of our favorite fiddlers, Shane Cook, and his band, The Woodchippers from Canada, are coming to La Tourelle on Thursday, October 6th. And that's here in Ithaca, New York. You can learn more about the show, and you can also get tickets at wintervillagemusic.org. Prices range from $10 for students. If you take fiddle lessons, any kind of student, $10. Senior citizens, $15. Adults, $20. And then if you're coming with a family or a couple, there's special pricing as well that you'll see on the website.
Shane's from Ontario, and he plays these great old Canadian tunes in this super exciting, modern way. Just fantastic. He's won all sorts of fiddle championships. He's got a great band. You don't want to miss this show. Rick and I are going to be playing a short opening set with the Contradictions featuring Tom Hodgson and Dave Davies. Right now we're going to play you a little bit of The Mouth of the Tobic, which is a great old Canadian tune, and we'll take a little inspiration from Shane as well. So hope you enjoy. 1, 2, 3.